Hi everyone, Tom Gentile. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room. It's Thursday, March 24th, 2016. Ahead of the three-day weekend, I thought I would show you very quickly what I'm looking at in the overall markets. The picture you see on the screen right now is reminding me that I put an article out not too long ago that talked about why I'm not crazy about computerized trading. While there are some great trading, robotic trading systems out there, that style just isn't for me. I was not downplaying or dissing robotic trading. It's just not in the cards for me as a trader. If I'm going to take 20 or 30 trades a day, I want to be in front of the computer to do it myself. To me, I just feel like there's too much room for error between server, power, etc. That's my trading style, all right? So to each his own, especially when it comes to the stock market. All right, let's take a look at the overall markets real quick. So S&P, or I'm looking at SPY, taking a breather this week. We actually had a little bit of a pullback here. We did get a bit of a rally into the close today on this shortened trading week. I see 200 as support. I do also see us going above and breaking the 211 highs that were made late last year. All right. I do also believe this is going to happen within the next 4 to 6 weeks. So that's my outlook short term on the overall stock market. Part of that bothers me just a bit is what's going on with bonds. All right. Ever since the Fed decision recently, the bond market doesn't seem like it wants to move lower in interest rates higher. And the chart you see here really confirms this. This is TBT. This is the ProShares Ultra Short. It's basically reverse bonds. The reason I look at this one, it goes up when the stock market goes up. It goes down when the stock market goes down. This is a risk-on instrument here, TBT. You should add it to your portfolio and keep an eye on it and watch it as it correlates back and forth with stocks, and more importantly, SPY. The reason I'm nervous about it, broke out of a little triangle there. I would be very nervous if we came down and closed below 34.5, although I don't think that's going to happen, but we're going to keep an eye on that nonetheless. Currencies. My currency of the week that I look at this week is FXE. It has now, since February, been acting more and more like a risk-on security. Now, interestingly enough, we talked about this thing topping out at around 111 last week, and that's exactly what it did. We have support pegged around 106, all right, and also 105.5. It could be dropping back down there. It could be consolidating, but I really would like to see this one break to the highs of 112.5 that were seen late last year. That would be a great confirmation that the stock market still has legs and still has room to run. Finally, oil, and we're looking at USO here. USO is an ETF of oil, although I don't like trading this. If you like oil, look at OIH, look at oil stocks in general. This one has too many problems that could force it to the downside, such as contango and management fees. If you want a good idea of what I think could happen to USO over the long term, take a look at UNG. And look what happened to that one. All right, we had a pullback in oil, although Thursday afternoon we did see that rally and that comeback. That's why you see that green bar all the way over to the right. I'm expecting oil to move back above $40 a barrel. I'm expecting USO to get back above 11. It was great to see it actually come back and at least close above $10 a barrel. And I see all of this happening because the money calendar, which I follow, is green going into the month of April. All right, this is good because it tells us that we got a lot of stocks out there. The most popular ones have mostly plays to the upside, where over the last 10 years, 90% of the time, those upside moves in April actually worked out. Okay, guys, for more information, for more on my market details and Tom's Tools Trade of the Week, then just log on to tomsoptiontools.com. If you're a member, if you're not a member, up in the upper right-hand corner, click on the 7-day free trial and follow the bouncing ball, and you can get access to everything. All right, have a great long weekend. Happy Easter to everybody, and I'll see you next week.